How to throw a Rocket League birthday party. My son just loves Rocket League. Towards his 7th birthday, we decided that we will throw a Rocket League birthday party. Apparently, it was easier said than done. Trying to look online, other than great decorations, I couldn't find any good ideas for games that would make this birthday one to remember. So I decided to do it myself. In this video, I will show what I did. If you have questions, please leave a comment and I will be happy to answer. There is a link to all the materials I bought in the video description. I built some of the games a couple of years ago. I built them in a generic way, so I can easily change the theme of the games to match the birthday theme. I used them in a pirate's birthday, princess's birthday, and this birthday, and will stay with me for many more years. They're an awesome attraction for the kids. For these games there is no instructions video, but if you would like help with the planning and execution, please write to me in the comment section. Let's start with the Pinata. I thought it would be hard, but it actually took around 30 minutes in total, which was great and fun to do with my son. I figured that it would be too hard and unrecognizable to create a Rocket League car Pinata, so my idea was to create it in the shape of the Rocket League logo. It was easy enough. First I printed the shape. Then I cut the cardboard. Then I taped it all together. Don't forget to take care of the rope and the hole to get your candy in. Then decorating. Lastly, I printed the car and the ball of the logo, and simply glued it on the Pinata. Done. The next step was to adjust my games to the birthday theme. The idea was that the kids will play each game for 10-15 minutes and then play the next game. Each successful try in a game got the kid a sticker. The kids could trade each 4 stickers with a prize which I bought on Amazon or the dollar store. The first game is similar idea to a dog hunt. I used a thin wood plate and cut 3 cars. I then printed the pictures of the cars and used tape to put it on. The cutting of the wood was a bit tricky, but not too hard. Then I used small hinges to attach the cars so they can stand and drop. Lastly, as the background used to be mountains, I simply printed a picture from the game and taped it. The tricky part was to understand how to print pictures on many pages, because I needed it to be really large, but a quick search on the web revealed that it can be easily done with good old Microsoft Paint. Now I only got 3 soft soccer balls and the game was ready. Each hit to a car is worth 1 sticker. The next game was much easier to build. It is a simple ring toss game. I used a wooden board, created 5 rockets and screwed them to the board in 45 degrees angle. For the rockets I used simple foam tubes, see description for details, and some colorful cardboards. A little bit of hot glue did the rest. Each ring that lands on a rocket worth 1 sticker. The next game was a pair matching roulette. It took some time to prepare. I created an easel and I cut 8 wooden doors, which I attached with hinges. I chose 4 pictures from the Rocket League game and printed each one twice. Next, I just had to glue 1 picture behind each door. I created a simple wheel, round piece of wood hanged on a long screw, and the game was ready. The kids have to spin the wheel twice. If both doors have the same picture, they get 2 stickers. 5 minutes into the game and the kids were ready to go to Vegas. The last game had nothing to do with Rocket League. I took a wooden board, cut 4 holes in it, and it was a beanbag toss competition. Each hole had a different score. Each 2 kids would compete, and the one with the highest score gets a sticker. The bonus, they need to calculate the scores, so I checked the educational game box as well. All of that was just a warm-up to the real fun. A real-life Rocket League game. The materials were simple. 2 goals, oversized ball, and 6 borrowed wiggle ride-on cars that we borrowed from people in the neighborhood. I decided to keep it a 3-on-3 game to avoid injuries, avoid traffic jams, and allow the kids to rest. I also used 4 foldable tables near the goals to resemble the game. This is not a must. I think that the kids had one of the best hours of their lives, and they were very happy and exhausted once we were done. I had to drag them away from the cars. Oh, don't forget to get enough water for everyone. Enjoy!